Hello dear friends, welcome back to our KCA Textile Company. In today's video, I'm going to showcasing some of the amazing collections, in particular Western trendy collections, guys. Yeah, in with us, one of the experienced and skillful sales executive person, Ashish Ramawat sir, are there. He was showing many of the varieties and collections because he have the better knowledge according compared to me, guys. He have the better taste preferences. He have the capacity to observe the nerves of customers that which product they will buy. So I will talk to Ashish sir in the Hindi, but I will be translating to English to you. So stick to the video till the end. तो आशीष जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार सर.
तो आज आशीष जी हमारे जो फॉरेन कंट्रीज के जो कस्टमर्स हैं उनके लिए क्या कलेक्शंस वेराइटीज वो लाए हो और वहाँ पे क्या टेस्ट हो जाती है, क्या रेंज से अपने आप में शुरू होती है, वो सब बताइए.
यहाँ की जो स्टार्टिंग रेंज की बात करूँ तो 349 से स्टार्टिंग हो जाने वाला है. और यहाँ की टेस्ट की बात करूँ तो आज का जो वीडियो के अंदर जो टेस्ट दिखाने वाला है वो सारा 3 पीस का कॉन्सेप्ट रहने वाला है. इसमें आलिया पैटर्न रहेगा, नायरा रहेगा, पाकिस्तानी सूट रहेगा, अनारकली पैटर्न रहेगा, अलग अलग रहेगा. तो सिमर का भी कलेक्शन लेके आए हैं, उसके साथ में जो कॉटन की वेरायटी भी रहेंगी साथ में.
राइट. Many of different types of concepts, alia cut, naira cut, simmer, shining simmer concepts, and apart from that some of the concepts like anarkali, Pakistani suits, dress materials, that kind of the concepts, anarkali, that kind of the many more varieties we are having here. So stick to the video till the end. तो आशीष जी एक एक करके collections बताते जाइएगा. This will be, you will be seeing in this screen that it will be the touch up of sequence. You will be getting these kind of the amazing patterns.
शेरवानी कट पैटर्न बोलते हैं.
Okay, Sherwani cut pattern in the Pakistani.
बीच में कट आ गया.
Okay, see guys, this will be the cut which you will be getting many of the engagement purposes concepts like Sherwani lehenga or the coat set pant lehenga, that kind of the concepts you will be getting here.
दुपट्टा की बात करें, दुपट्टा डिजिटल का रहने वाला.
Okay. In this kind of the digitalized dupatta work you will be getting here. These kind of the cut border concepts you will be getting here. Flowering print you will be getting here, guys. See, 3 piece.
जी सर.
Okay. Along with the dupatta, along with the bottom wear, you will be getting this kind of the 3 piece concept, guys. See.
नेक्स्ट कलेक्शन रहने वाला वाइन कलर के अंदर रहने वाला, थ्रेड वर्क की कलेक्शन रहने वाला.
See guys, how beautiful it was this. On the color of wine, you will be getting these kind of the beautiful silver jaried work with the sequence work and the beautiful some of the detailed threading work also you will be getting here. In this also, I think many different colors are we are having. Different colors. How many colors?
4 कलर.
4 colors. Range
1255.
1255, 4 different color shades you will be getting. If you want in particular one color like 50 pieces, 20 pieces, then also most welcome, guys.
तमिलनाडु का फास्ट मूविंग पीस है, जिसे एक्वा बोलते हैं तमिलनाडु.
Okay, aqua, southern regional state like Tamil Nadu, in which you will be getting these kind of the highest aqua pattern we gonna be saying, guys. See, in these kind of the beautiful sequenced work you will be getting here.
दुपट्टा भी थ्रेड वर्क का मिलेगा सर.
Thread working dupatta you will be getting here. See guys. And on the fabric of organza you will be getting this kind of the beautiful flowered threading pattern. And apart from that, very beautiful cut border concepts. Next variety.
कॉन्सेप्ट रहने वाला.
Okay, on the cut of naira. What's the mean of naira? Then this will be the cut. Okay. This cut reflects the naira cut concept, guys. You will be getting this also. You will be welcomed by the 3 piece suits along with the dupatta, guys. Beautiful sequenced work you will be getting. See.
ये कप्तान पैटर्न रहने वाला सर.
Okay, this will be the Kaptan pattern, right? Which are very highly trending, I think. This Kaptan pattern concepts you will be getting will be highly trending concept. And apart from that, in this variety also, you will be getting 20 pieces, 30 pieces, 50 pieces, in particular one designs and only the one color, then also we can provide you because we are the highest manufacturers in today's market. See.
ये प्योर रहने वाला है, प्योर चिनॉन के अंदर रहने वाला आलिया कट.
Okay, this will be, I said na, alia cut. This kind of the fabric of whole chinon work you will be getting here. See guys, next variety बताइए. Lots of varieties we are showing here, guys. You have to take the screenshot and send to screen available number for the further details and inquiry.
ये सीमर कलेक्शन रहने वाला है.
Right.
इसके भी आपको जैसे कॉटन फैब्रिक रहेगा, सीमर के लिए बहुत अच्छा है.
Right. In this you will be getting simmer pattern on the concept like summer collections you will be getting here, guys. See, cotton fabric you will be getting here, guys. See.
ये लेटेस्ट डिज़ाइन अभी लॉन्च किया सर, अभी लॉन्च किया
Okay.
डिज़ाइन है, इसमें देख सकते हो
राइट राइट राइट
प्रिंट के अंदर कॉन्सेप्ट रहने वाला विद सीक्वेंस के साथ में इसका टचअप किया हुआ है।
With the touch up of sequence, you will be getting this kind of the multicolor threading work, and apart from that, these kind of the concepts you will be getting here, guys. See, so we see many of the concepts. Any of the varieties you liked, have the screenshot and send to screen available number, and give your please opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment sections. तो आशीष जी आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने अपना अमूल्य समय दिया और इतनी सारी वेराइटीज एंड कलेक्शंस आपने निकाल के दिए और आप भी बताते ही जा रहे हो. So guys, you see many of lots of varieties in particular one video. Have your screenshot and send to screen available number. Apart from that, many of the varieties I'm going to showcasing in today's varieties. Give your precious comments, reviews and comments and feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.